We're in Mykonos now. So anything to do with fun, parties, boat, Rebecca would rather lose a night. Maybe this? Quick. What's going on? Am I getting arrested? Should have taken the doggies. What? I almost dropped my bagel. That, honey, I'm sure the walk was easier last time we were here 7 years ago. I'm sure it was easier. This is a lot higher than we expected. Sweating a bit now. The ship doesn't sail till 10 p.m. tonight, but we might actually miss it trying to get back up and down again. Phoenix says 150 meters. Ooh, my heart rate's 158 beats per minute. Should have taken the donkey. Should have taken the doggy.
Oh, we actually got sand.
You definitely can't smell through the camera. That smells atrocious. Excuse me. Sorry, excuse me. My ankle hurts. It's pretty precarious here. They don't tell you about that in the brochure, do they?
No.
They need to make like a lift or something. I can't hear out of my left ear. Do that, go straight to the frozen yogurt place.
From the balcony, there was another.
Thank you. Hey, thanks. Cheers. The crate house crate. It's going to be a big one. Let's cut it open and let's see what's inside. Here we go. Review in process here. Interesting point to cut. I would cut maybe through the middle like a pizza, but that looks pretty good. Ingredients include Nutella, banana, strawberry, biscuit. I was quite happy to be able to get the drone up because there's some authorised airport zones that you can't fly in. DJI make it very difficult sometimes for you to take off if you're relatively close to an airport at all. But managed to get it up just on the outskirts, just following the boundary of the authorised zones. So I was pretty happy with that. Check it out. Snowing in Santorini, but we got to go now. It'll take us 2 hours to get down, so we have to leave. Oh, I'm gonna gag. How do you dodge this? Whoa, that thing flicked me in the face. We're in Mykonos now, so our time has come to an end on this cruise ship, but we're going to spend a few days in Mykonos.
Before we head back to the UK.
London. Come on then, we're gonna do some form of good in the world. We're gonna do some form of good in the world, hun.
The volcano's smoking, but everything's fine.
What? You have a bagel. Bagels.
Literally sat down here for like 15 minutes eating bagels, and a pelican walks past. Everyone's got their cameras out, everyone's seeing them. We're just sitting here and it's literally just walked. So we googled it and there's like 3 in Mykonos and his name's Peter. He's the mascot of Mykonos.
We just heard a lady called Nicholas the Pigeon. She just walked past and said, "Oh, I was really distracted by the pigeon. Do you think that that is a pigeon, ma'am?" "Oh, look, it's a pigeon." What? I almost dropped my bagel. feel like we're about to film Mamma Mia. How could I resist you? You could just chuck some white paint on anything here, right, and you'd be good to go. Wait, where'd she go? Honey? Darling. The white paint. I knew I'd find it. Honey? Fat. Whoa, I lost you there. I went on an expedition for you just now.
Meet the sunset on the boat.
Yeah.
Our boat slide on the boat, it's also acceptable.
Thanks for that, John.
Thank you.
See you later. So you heard all that, right? And what does Rebecca say immediately after that?
I'd rather stab myself in the eye.
So anything to do with fun, parties, boats, anything like that, Rebecca would rather lose an eye.
Drunk people.
Open bar.
everywhere,
Yeah.
Slosh. Falling over. It's
Absolutely
not
sloshed.
fun time.
Yeah, it will be.
No.
We've just said yes to the new fire festival in... Are we... What's going on? Am I getting arrested?
Hello!
This is rotten brand new for the same price. Where's our man?
Okay, he's coming.
Yeah. Crossing that road is mayhem, isn't it? We rented a scooter. Like that there, who, I don't know, who gives to who there. I'm going to speed up a bit. There's shop after shop after shop. We're at the high end here, town in Mykonos.
Every year. Every time we're in Greece for dinner, power goes out.
We are going to Laya Beach. It's about 23 minutes away. The moped was 90 euros for 3 days, which is really good because the massage is 100 euros for 60 minutes. So quick. She's just dropped her hat on the road. They want to charge us 40 euros to sit on that sunbed.
You can just hide it.
Hide it.
Hide it.
Okay.
Got ya.
Thank you.
No worries. We're part of a wedding game.
Two Italians have just asked us to hide a note.
Actually,
Part of like a treasure hunt.
no one's getting burnt today, are they, honey? No one's getting burnt today. Okay, yeah, no, honey. No, you have to look up beaches and stuff that's like quiet, because on Google everything comes up of like the main popular beaches, and they're a bit dirty, aren't they, hun? And they're populated, and no one really wants that. Like, yes, Google Maps says it's #1, but is it #1? This is like #7, and it's secluded, you know, it's quiet.
Do you have something for me?
Yes, we do.
Maybe this? Is that the one? That is a big gyros. We just had a really nice lunch. Now we hopped on the scooter and gone to a really nice beach. secluded, out the way. Oh, you got to go down a dirt track. If you don't, it's just all over. But it is interesting what Google Maps considers a road.
Day 2.
This is how clear the water is.
So bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.